Hello class 7, welcome to my second video on second chapter, that is atmosphere. So let us start our class. So today we are going to study about the structure of atmosphere. Okay, so our atmosphere is broadly divided into 5 layers. The first layer is your troposphere, second layer is your stratosphere, third one is your mesosphere, fourth one is your thermosphere, and the final layer is your exosphere. Okay, so let me tell you with the help of this onion. So what is the first layer? First layer is your troposphere, second layer is your stratosphere, you can see, third layer is your mesosphere, fourth layer is your what, thermosphere, and the final layer is your exosphere. So our, just like this onion, our earth is also divided into 5 layers. So let me start with the troposphere. So troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, okay, and it bears about 3/4 of the mass of the atmosphere, okay, and its height is from equator it is 18 kilometer, and over the poles it is 8 kilometer. This layer is considered to be the most densest and warmest because all the denser gases, for example oxygen, are present in this layer, okay, and warmest because this layer absorbs the heat radiated by the sun and keep the earth's warm, okay, and all the weather phenomena occurs in this atmosphere, in this layer, that is your troposphere, okay, like snow, lightning, formation of clouds, okay, everything happens in this troposphere, and we all are living in troposphere. That means troposphere sustain the life, okay. There is one more term given in your book which is known as your lapse rate. So what is lapse rate? So it is written here that the decrease in temperature with the increase in height is known as your lapse rate, okay. So there is a decrease of temperature with the increase of height. That means as you go higher, okay, as you, the altitude is more, the temperature will be less, okay. The good example is, suppose if you are moving from Siliguri towards Darjeeling, what will you find? As you go up, you will feel more cold. Why? Because the temperature is less, okay. And it is also written that in every 166 meter there is a decrease of temperature. How much? 1 degree Celsius. It means every 166 meter there is a decrease of temperature. How much? 1 degree Celsius, okay. After troposphere is another very important layer which is known as stratosphere, but there is one more layer above troposphere and below stratosphere, that is known as your topopause. So topopause is the boundary between troposphere and stratosphere, okay. It divides the troposphere and stratosphere. So stratosphere is also very important. The why? Because there is a ozone layer, okay. There is a layer which is known as your ozone layer, made up of ozone gases, okay, which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. If you remember my first video, I told you the ill effects of ultraviolet radiation, okay. And what is the height of this stratosphere? It is 50 kilometers from the earth's surface. As you go up from earth's surface towards 250 kilometers, you will find stratosphere, okay. So this stratosphere is as I told you, protecting us from the ultraviolet radiation, which is very harmful. But very sad to say that children, this ozone layer is becoming thinner day by day because of the environmental pollution, okay, and which may have a serious consequences for all living beings, because if it will become more thinner, the ultraviolet rays can penetrate to the earth's crust, okay children. So ultimately what will happen? The glaciers will melt, okay, sea level will rise. When the sea level will rise, what will happen? Many smaller islands will get submerged, okay. So that's why it is the matter of concern, okay. So we have to plant more trees, we should stop deforestation, and we should protect our ozone layer. Ultimately, who will be the sufferers? We will be the sufferers, okay. After stratosphere is one more layer which is known as your mesosphere. This mesosphere is also very important, okay. This mesosphere and stratosphere, okay, is divided by one more layer which is known as your stratopause. So stratopause is the boundary, okay, between stratosphere and mesosphere. So this mesosphere just lies above stratosphere, as I told you, and its height is 80 km from the Earth's surface. Okay, and here in mesosphere the temperature drops steadily, okay, and it is known as the coolest layer of the atmosphere. What is the temperature over here? It is low as minus 110 degree Celsius, which is considered to be the lowest in the atmosphere. Okay, so the temperature will start decreasing, okay, from 70 kilometers. Okay, and what is the significance of this layer? This layer is very important because this layer will burn the meteoroids which are falling from the sky. Okay, big meteoroids, when it enter mesosphere, it get burnt up due to the friction. Okay, so this layer will not allow the meteoroids to fall on the Earth's surface. Okay children, so today we will do till mesosphere. In my next class I will do thermosphere and exosphere with the significance of atmosphere. I hope you have understood today's class. So in my next video I will continue the other topics. Till then children, take good care of yourself, stay safe, and goodbye.